Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport P460e Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 3-litre petrol plug-in hybrid engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Eiger Grey. Starting from the front, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, we're going to see further sporty and stylish features as it sits with the utmost pride on a set of 21-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your LED tail lights. Rear passengers are certainly going to be impressed with the comfort and quality of their Ebony perforated power recline rear seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit will also reveal your 20-way electric heated memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. You'll also see your 13.1-inch PV Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, your wireless charging port and your fixed panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport, which we have here at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.